Former Additional SP Brinda has explicitly categorized the ongoing conflict in Manipur as state-sponsored terrorism, emphasizing the urgent need for the public to recognize this underlying dynamic. Speaking to the media at the 17th Foundation Day celebration of the Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur at Lamyan Basanglen Police Compound Imphal, she stated that civil society organizations across different communities must collaborate to educate citizens about the true nature of the violence. She warned that if communities continue to blame one another, the unrest will persist, thereby enabling alleged divisive policies that threaten to weaken local populations. She also underlined the critical need for all communities to work together toward building a peaceful and vibrant Manipur. During a subsequent panel discourse, Brinda highlighted that the insurgency movement in the northeast persists despite decades of government counter-operations. She also expressed concern that justice remains undelivered for the numerous innocent lives allegedly lost in extrajudicial killings between 1979 and 2012.
Hojik Kanglup ki irang me exist tor lei si Kanglup ani hanaram bagi Kanglup ohum jore masi koina Kanglup ki irang ne na adum yenga ga lei tar ga di Kanglup ki irang ne na dum sathar ga loi banai dana lei adu ga sigi violence of this magnitude chiona saw violence this state sponsored violence this state terrorism masi puruk puding angna angbi ba amasung puruk puding ma civil society leaders intellectuals kaina ubi ngamba amasang masi koina puruk masen da taisina lei tar ga di bharat lengak na division ama khaidu oga koi puding mak se loi koina bana loi saliba potsi ubangam dana adu Manipur si sana tumna mangi ba du er kani aduna tangai phadana irang se loi silaga puruk masen si amaga mafam da hanjan naraga anoba Manipur ma siemba tangai phadi